Do you know him? Yes, I know him. What's going on here? Nothing special. What's going on here? Nothing special. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Do you like me? Yes, I like you. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What are you doing? I'm reading books. What are you doing? I'm reading books. What do you do? I'm a student. What do you do? I'm a student. Won't you go? No, I will not go. Won't you go? No, I will not go. When will you go? I will go by Sunday. When will you go? I will go by Sunday. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Can you hear me? No, I can't. Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Are you there? Yes, I am. Are you there? Yes, I am. Whose bag is this? This is Tom's bag. Whose bag is this? This is Tom's bag.